Guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and in today's video we're playing Roblox, and we are playing what we're playing, Thomas?
I don't know what it's called.
Airsoft battles, I think it's called, with my mate Thomas, who's been watching my videos. So we have two main guns at the minute. We have the AK-47 and this, which is my tactical weapon, and this is just my fire and hit weapon. So we're gonna try and get the AR to a bit of a more tactical weapon, as I am very tactical. And there's the first kill on Tom, which is a very good kill. And this game is very fun. It's just, we will admit it is a bit full of hackers, but still, it can be very good.
So we have to leave.
Yeah. I got like a triple kill there, so I'm happy with that.
Oh, he's there. I know it. I know it every single time. I keep thinking he's gonna move.
I don't want to be in the middle. Being in the middle is like the worst thing. This kills me again. Oh, the AK drops so much.
I mean,
Like, it has an insanely high firing rate, but you above me.
no. You just said there was a cat there, and I was about to head as soon as you were.
Oh, fair play. Thomas, did you just see how many kills I got then?
No. I mean, I heard you good shooting.
Headshot, 223. Shoot your body, look on me. Oh, I'm just...
I didn't spot.
Got 2 minutes. I don't even have to do something this round. Oh, where did you come from? That's a good thing about the AK. It is actually a very good gun, to be honest. Depends on the map, I feel like, is what gun I'm going to use. Arena, because it's a bit of a bigger map. A lot more surprises. I feel like the AK, I don't know, I've had a very good start with it. And guys, I'm going to try to show you soon, maybe when I next get killed, why I call the starter gun my tactical gun. Why is everyone on my team cheating? I don't like this. The whole team's just retreated. Oh, and I'm stuck in the ground. I hear a lot of gunfire, but none near me.
I thought you've got barely any teammates, so I just keep killing the same teammates.
You just killed me. Well, a bunch of my teammates on the field. I know where someone is. Someone's over there, isn't there?
I think if one team takes the other team spawn, I think we spawn, so you can't really spawn. Go away.
Oh, headshot. Oh, I just had 2 headshots. So, guys, I'm gonna show you why I call this my tactical weapon. As you can see, very tactical right there. And if we go hit play, as you can see, a green laser and a very tactical weapon. Thomas knows how overpowered this can be. He's seen it in some previous games himself.
Am I used against me?
Yep. And it's very annoying because even though you know I'm aiming at you because of the laser, it's very hard to react to. By the time you've half reacted to it, as you guys can see, I used to bum sweat this game, but we kind of found it again, didn't we, Tom? Well, Tom found it, and then we started playing it, and then found it a lot of fun. Oh, I not hit a headshot then. I'm not rotated, I don't want to get a bit of... No, I don't want to... Oh, I was going to go back to the AK, because the AK is actually so much better in this map.
I'm popping off with the AK.
I know. I'm still popping off like it. You see, I'm not killing you as much. And the Uzi was kind of an in-between one, even though I bought it and never really used it. As some know, I mainly use my tactical weapon, or it depends on the map. I sometimes use my sniper. Oh my god, I have like... Oh, I've got a red laser for the AK. Oh yeah. Okay.
That's what I got my easy.
laser for AKs. Having a laser could actually be saviour though.
They're just like, they're not doing anything.
I know, I feel like I'm carrying this team right now. I feel like I'm heavily carrying this team.
Surely I've got the most kills in this, like, in this map. I'm absolutely popping off.
So am I, to be honest. It just, guys, you heard that saying I had a blooming. You saw that say, okay. Apparently I don't have anything for that, but. I'm playing with AK, now we... Oh my god, why are there so many teammates in my base? I've just killed a half. You're dead. Where did you come from, man? I wasn't even saying that to you, to be honest. Oh, yes. Yeah, if you don't know, this is the best position in the game.
You've got a teammate who looks like his name's Gerald. Look at the teammate behind me, looks like his name's Gerald. You know the guy's got like an old mask?
Oh, yeah.
Definitely like Gerald.
Oh, I've just hit him. The guy you're on about, I just hit, and I also just hit you. And him. I actually like the AK. And this is the first time I've used the AK, and I'm really liking it. Are you still there? No.
I mean the AK. It's class.
Oh, you guys just saw that. That was actually insane. I'm playing for the first way. Another headshot.
By one of my own teammates. Oh, no way. By my teammates, he'll just keep jumping around the corners at me.
I'm actually feeling some movement today. You just jump scared me. Oh, there's so many like noobs on my team. Someone that's just stole my spot and give it away so much. Oh, he's still on my kills as well. He's still on my kills. Oh no, I'm saying no.
That's alright.
Ooh. This is a very close game, guys. And like I say, soon we might be doing a competition on this server. Not on this server, but on this game. So if you want in, make sure you subscribe. I'm also going to link Thomas's YouTube channel down below. Okay, there's no one coming from my spot, so I thought that was someone there. Oh my god, my teammate's stealing all my kills. I don't even know where my teammates are. Where is everyone? Where's everyone on your team? I swear your team should disappear. That's actually smart. It's not spawn killers that much. I know you are, Tom. You're dead.
You're winning this. Like, guaranteed.
Yeah, because they've got me. Headshot. Headshot. It's got a double headshot. I've got to reload. If I didn't have to reload, that you'd been dead. I'm joking. Probably not. Where did you come from?
Oh, Gerald got in the way.
Oh, that was my teammate. I just got jump scared by my teammate, thinking it was one of them. How is that not a headshot?
And the bullet goes straight through the red and it's not a headshot.
Good shot.
I'm peeking here.
So am I. Triple kill.
Me and you are just killing each other constantly.
Good shot. AK is actually kind of class. I'm really rate it. Oh, do you mind? I'm trying to shoot someone else here.
I'm trying to shoot you.
Oh, where did you come from? Not you, someone else.
Oh my god.
That was an insane shot. Oh, I knew that. Oh, how is he not dead? Hello. Oh, I don't know. I don't know who to shoot at. I swear half your people in your team block that box. GG's. So guys, we'll play one more. Oh my god, I got 81 kills that game.
I got 113.
Damn. Guys, if you can't hear him, which I don't know if you can hear him very well, he got 113 kills. I got 81. I got a lot of money from it.
I got 20 mid shots.
I got like 18. So now I can save up for something else. Oh.
The AWM, which I think is one of the best snipers you can get. The best sniper's probably, I don't even know. I don't know what I'm saving up for. Maybe the AX416.
Oh, Tokyo. This map's actually alright. I don't really rate it as much as... My favourite two has to be Arena and then... What's it called? The one that we had all the hackers.
Warehouse.
Yeah. Warehouse and Arena are the main ones that I like. Good kill. I feel like the scope on this actually makes it very accurate. I'm gonna try to do something. Here guys. That senior may seem... Someone may call... Oh, he's not. I think he's moving on.
Silent assassin. Oh, that'd be a great assassin. I'd just drop on him to his place and I headshot someone.
I just did the exact same. But I didn't headshot him.
On the roof, I was up there and I was just a massive hole and just kept dropping.
Good kill.
That's where I killed the first time.
I know. That's why I went up there to see if he was there. But then I was just doing some roof hopping, you know.
It's a good spot, but if you just there all day, then it's quite obvious. Oh, that's a good spot to be there.
No one will ever know where I was because I'm just... Oh, I'm actually... Thomas will know after this how... This game I've been... Oh, good kill. I was on a different roof. And then I killed you and then... Because you are. I feel like I'm carrying it most of the time.
Go away.
And drop. Oh my god. What was that, like a 5 kill? I think I just did. I half know. I half think I know where you are. Well, I'm not gonna go the way I was gonna go. Let's see if I was right.
It's King of the Hill.
Silent assassin.
You're somewhere, I don't like it.
But I don't know where you are, so... Headshot.
If I can... In this, if you have a suppressor on you, it doesn't actually change anything.
How have I not hit a shot? Oh, there we go.
I knew it was you, that's why I didn't run away. Oh yeah. That's class from me.
Oh, what W position, by the way. Oh my god, my teammate's actually got a W position. Sure, guys, I'm gonna do something. This is what they call being a silent assassin. I don't actually think it is, but... Nope.
Oh. Right, finally killed him.
Oh, your teammate did not believe that. Oh, fair play, fair play. If you come to watch this video later, you'll actually realise I just did a 200 brain thing. I think you'll be watching this video later, won't you, Tom?
Probably.
Silent? Silent Assassin, but I don't know which base is which. And whose spawn point is whose. I am still doing the thing.
Well, my team's winning. You might want to try and get in the middle.
Oh, what do you mean? We are. I literally just dropped from someone and headshot him.
Frankly, I just watched that ladder, so I don't know if it'll be that good.
Will it? Oh, you're so lucky I have to reload that.
I know who you are.
No, you don't.
Say hello.
Oh, you're Sergeant W. Spot. Silent Assassin.
Peeking.
Silent Assassin.
Oh my god, go away. How are you always back on me?
I don't know, that's just where I spawned.
It's right, be honest.
What?
I think I don't have teammates right now.
I know I do, but I really think half of them are bots.
Innit, like, none of them are turning around or anything. They're all just kind of walking in straight line.
Yeah, I know, I just saw him walk right in front of you.
It's like it's just you on a team.
No. Oh, that's actually weird.
Everyone's just walking in straight lines.
Yeah, so as we can tell, this is not filled with real people. And if it was, I'd be dead. So, I mean, realistically, no. It's just get us some kills and
Money.
yeah. Not really.
I'm just farming kills. I'm gonna be. Don't kill me. I'm not really actually worried to kill. I'm just farming kills. We get about $400 per kill. But to be fair, AIs would just start together.
Headshot.
Okay, can we have a bit of a peace treaty?
Yeah.
All my teammates are at spawn, none of them are at the middle. I think we know whose team's winning next.
Why?
Because look at the score at the top.
Okay, and I'm also holding the hill right now. And we have a peace treaty. Nah, okay. Okay, chat. Oh, why am I saying chat? But,
Okay, people.
yeah. People like me watch this headshot.
Okay, animals.
That was actually an insane headshot, by the way. You have to admit.
Nah, I don't like admitting stuff. Do you want to me? I'd always just stick like right next to each other, so I just literally go next to them and just spray them. I don't like to anywhere.
Yeah, I'm above you.
Go.
Oh, it's your fault. You discarded the peace treaty. I'm gonna try to get some kills from my secondary. I got my teammate. Hey, actually do the peace treaty now.
Alright, well, we're not going to can go in the middle.
Yeah. I'm trying to farm some kills with her.
I'm just getting killed from my AK because I want to.
That's me.
Well,
Well,
I've got a teammate behind you.
oh my god, oh, finally here. My bad, I didn't turn the middle. What's he doing?
There. Yeah.
Yeah, all my teammates are like towards the right, by the way.
There's a teammate coming from that side.
Oh yeah, I see. I'm trying to get, oh, headshot. Oh my god, that was actually I won't try to be in the middle. I'm trying to walk around the middle, but I know there's gonna kind of come to the middle.
This roof where I am. You got you the entire map.
Oh, are you upstairs?
Yeah, I'm on the roof thing above the square. My teammate's in the middle, by the way.
I know.
Do we just sit here for 5 minutes just farming kills?
Yeah, I'm just trying to farm kills with my pistol.
I want some money.
It's me, this is me. This is me next year.
Yeah, I'll look down the middle because I've got a teammate there. What the? He shot flying.
Yeah.
There's a teammate on the other side.
Oh yeah, I see.
I can't hit a shot on your teammate. I just fell down.
So have I, but... Where's your teammate? There's literally just a teammate in the middle that's making. I thought... What are you doing up there, Messi? Come down. It's me. I'm trying to shoot your teammate.
You've got so many teammates, so you just keep going to the middle and just standing still. It's literally 3 kills. I want to get back on the roof. I feel like I'm gonna... How do you get on the roof from up here?
I know.
Oh, you just come up this way.
No, you don't.
Wait.
This is the wrong way. Why is my...
Oh, you're gonna move out of the way, come just pull off.
Yeah, no, I am.
Oh, wait, my bad. I'm trying to move
Headshot.
these buildings. Oh, they follow me. I've got a few teammates over there. I've got one teammate behind there. Oh, there's a teammate there. There's a teammate here. Come here.
Teammates in the middle. What way again?
Up here. Did you just get killed?
No.
Ollie, there's 3 people up there. 2 of my teammates there. Now, just get up here.
And then,
And just keep...
you just do some roof hopping.
Yeah, what you said.
Yeah, roof hopping. Can your teammate just go in the middle? Oh, nearly dropped then. Where's your teammate on that? Teammate right in the middle. Perfect for a shot. Where is he going? Where is he going? Oh.
A ton of my teammates are in the middle. You might want to look down now. Now's your chance. They all just keep running past. Just camp down there.
I'm gonna camp here.
You just missed 2 of my teammates.
No, I'm not.
There's another one.
Oh.
There's one there. Look behind you. Why do we actually keep running to the middle and standing still?
My bad. I'm standing in the middle. It's just for me easier. Oh, that's my teammate.
If I accidentally shoot you whilst you stood in the middle, my bad. I'm not trying to kill you.
I'm just trying to get some kills for my pistol.
Down here as well. I thought you don't have any teammates. Whereabouts are your teammates?
Over there.
Oh yeah. Bang, bang. Oh, I just got like 4 kills. Everyone just clumped up. Oh, there's someone there. There's 2. There's another one coming. No, they're stealing my kills. Oh, this is broken. Everyone just keeps coming over here. Like, come over here. Everyone just keeps coming over here and just clumping up. Watch, you'll just run over here and just get stuck on that. Not quite hard.
Oh,
That's what they all just keep doing. I'm just camping here. Oh, is it bad that my AK is out of ammo? Pretty much.
yeah.
I've got a teammate over here. Oh. Bro, I just died for it, yeah.
Oh, I won't really off.
You just killed me.
Yeah, and I'm moving like crazy now. I killed you again.
Right, I'll have one.
Oh, you spawn protection, man. I've got 67k by the way. Let's go. No scope, headshot. I just hit a no scope headshot, which is crazy. That boy, good shot.
6 seconds left. Now's your chance to get your last few kills.
Where's your teammate going? Are you moving, man? I don't like the way you move. It's grand.
It's not me on my kills, I think I've got this game.
You just shoot from the air, GG.
Kills have I got? Ooh, these are what?
I didn't even get that much. I didn't even get that much, to be honest. Just vote. Yeah, just vote it, Canyon. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna end that video here. That was actually a really fun video. I hope you try it out and get some no AI lobbies.
But you remember, subscribe if you want to be part of
Yeah,
that.
subscribe if you want to be part of this big thing, and I guess we'll see you all in the next one. Peace.